It's always raining. Why? Why, Washington? Why? But getting some, you know, fire damage done to the door, because that seemed like a great idea to remove vinyl. We noticed something's missing, and no, we're not starting on the diff bushings today. Wasn't quite happy enough with how low it was in the back. The front, we pulled a collar and we're getting there. But a friend gave me a really good idea about taking my Megans and pulling the rear spring perch off. Woof. And once the spring perch is pulled off, you'll see that it actually necks down inside. I'm taking you guys up here into the garage to show you what I'm talking about. But, let's close the dab corner. You will see we got some Megans laid out here and the tube is pulled off one. And to make this easier for you guys, that obviously will sit back, but you can see the neck down in there. So it's just a 2-inch gap with the threads being at the top. No threads in here. So with this space sitting on top, that's just unused space. So you can see on this one, 2 inches from top line to bottom line, matches this. We're gonna chop that out and obviously actually get this in a better position, but get the sticker off, get it cleaned off, go through, take it up, and get the car back to a lower state that we want. So let's jump on that one. So now that we got both of these guys cut down, pulled 2 inches out of each of them, I'm gonna go ahead and run the acetone we use around it. Give it a slight bevel, not even like a 1/16 of an inch, almost not noticeable, but just enough to give it something for the weld to sink into. I'm not gonna use as much filler as I normally would, so I gave it a little less of a bevel, but the fit is really what matters. If I could hold the damn thing together, geez. But I'm no Kid Kane, I'm no MTIG, so hopefully this comes out right, and then we'll get it back outside, we'll get it put together and see how it looks. So, not being a Kid Kane or anything like that, you know, they came out good. And yeah, I grinded the backside of that other one because it was a little tall and ugly, but this one, meh, not so bad. We are now 2 inches lower, right off of that. So let's get these assembled and get this all back together. Birds are chirping. Oop, that's not the right way. But it doesn't. That looks stupid. Look how all these birds are chirping and it's raining. You guys realize it's raining, right? That wasn't fun. So let's get these top ones going. See if I can actually get you guys in here in one clip. Can you see anything? Probably not. But it's okay, me neither. Oh hey, I can look through the back window. I gotta see better. One down, one to go. of course, it starts to rain on us again. So, probably call that an end of this video. Get in here and feed some woofs. Feed myself, because I'm getting a little bit hungry. And actually start on some more Chummin's progress with some stuff we got in the mail today. But that'll be another video for another time. So, food, and start cleaning the garage so I can mess with the Chevy. Catch you guys next time on the next one on the Average Joe channel.